Hello friends, today we learn and write slogans on Republic Day. Clean India, Developed India is the only motto of Republic India. Independent India, Republic India, let us make it Developed India. Our constitution is our pride. It is the longest worldwide. India is our home. Let's make it clean and green. Let's salute our real heroes on Republic Day. We are Indians, firstly and lastly. Save the children, save the nation. No nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. We are together. Cry out loud and make your motherland proud. It's our pleasure to celebrate Republic Day every year. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स। अगर हमारी वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.